Hello, today we're going to be looking at taxation and how tax works in Australia. So tax is a compulsory payment collected by the government to cover the cost of running the country. So everything from education to military to the fact that we have nice roads to drive on. Pretty much all the services we get in Australia come from money that has been taxed on people. So whenever we're talking about tax, we look at a table like this. On the left-hand side, this is the income that you earn. And on the right-hand side is the penalties or the tax you pay depending on the income. For example, Mike works part-time while studying and earns $26,000 a year. How much tax can he expect to pay this financial year? So the first thing we do is we work out what bracket does Mike fall into. So because he's got $26,000, he's going to be in this second bracket here, because between $18,201 and $45,000. Now, the tax he pays is going to be 19 cents for each dollar. So that's 19% of each dollar over $18,200. So if we do a calculation, if we take the $26,000 he earns and take away $18,200, we can see that he's $7,800 over the threshold. So what that means is 19% of that $7,800 will be taxed. So, Mike can expect to pay $1,482 in taxes with his current income. Let's look at another example. Trevor works as a data analyst for a mining company. He earns $234,000 a year. How much tax can he expect to pay this financial year? So, straight away, because Trevor earns so much, he falls into this final bracket here. Now, I need to show you something. There is a straight up cost of $51,667. Guaranteed you have to pay that. Plus 45 cents for every dollar over 180,000. So you really have to pay a lot of tax the higher you go up in the brackets. So the first calculation we need to do is how much is he over the $180,000 threshold? Well, $234,000 take away $180,000 is $54,000. So of that $54,000, 45% or 45 cents for every dollar is going to be taxed. So straight away, that's $24,300. But don't forget, he has to pay that compulsory $51,667 on top of that. So his grand total is $75,967 in tax. So even though he's worked very hard and he's earned a lot of money, a big chunk of that is going to go straight to the government. So Trevor might be annoyed with that amount, but that is just how the system works. The more money you earn, the more tax you pay. All right, let's look at a final example here. Steph works 8 hours a week at Macca's. She earns $16 per hour and works 48 weeks a year. How much tax can she expect to pay this financial year? So straight away, if we do our calculation, we can see that 8 times $16 times 48 weeks is $6,144. So because Steph is working so little, she's actually in this first income bracket here. She won't be taxed this year. So any money she is taxed throughout the year should get it all back when she does a tax return. So Steph can rest easy knowing that no money will be given to tax. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully that makes sense. So yeah, the idea of tax is just work out what bracket you're in and then do the calculations on the right hand side of whatever bracket you're in. And just remember, the more you earn, the more tax you pay. That's just how the system is set up. Any questions, let me know down below. Have an awesome day.